Welcome. This is Neco year 2019 English Objective Past question number 77. And the instruction here says fill each numbered gap with the most appropriate of the options. And to this question, this instruction is applicable to questions from 71 to 100. And it is a topic called register in English. And I've said earlier, this register is under crime. Then the statement here say although the accused could be dash. Although the accused could be dash. Now, although is a tone of light contradiction to the previous statement, and the previous statement says that says that says that to which he pleaded not guilty, but after the magistrate had heard the testimony of the witness, although the accused could be dash. A. Acquitted. B. Bailed. C. Detained. D. Discharged. E. Released. Now, since judgment has not taken place yet, the accused person could be bailed on condition. So option B is correct. The accused person could be bailed, but on condition. But on condition. So the court can allow the person to go home, then reporting or coming to the court for court hearing on condition. So they can. So option B is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.